welcome to Ollie's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in one of these Audi key fobs. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to just depress the button to open the key fob, and then if you look right in here, you can see there is that little tab right in there. So all that you need to do is grab yourself a little screwdriver and then carefully pry up on that tab just like that. As you can see, we already started opening the key fob. Now pry against this little keychain loop right here. And now, just finish it off by prying this open with your hand, just like that. You don't want to break this little tab off, but just keep lifting and then it comes off. Here we have our battery. You can just pry that out. This is your typical 2032 battery. And make sure that when you use a replacement, use a good quality like a Duracell or an Energizer. Don't buy the really cheap ones that you can find on the internet or just at your local store that are really inexpensive. They won't last. Trust me, I've tried it in other things. They won't last. It's not worth it. So just take this thing, the positive or the big flat side, get squished into the back like that. Flip it over. Same thing as we took it apart. Let's get this back in first. Then we'll go over to the keychain loop. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Audi Key Fob. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.